Sofia Ellie.
And we are from Carbo team. We are going to make a very delicious, nutritious food. So today, we are going to making overnight oats. It's very good for your health and very yummy. OMG! We are going to make an overnight oats. I can't wait to make that overnight oats and put it in my tummy. So, let's start with the ingredients. For the first ingredient, we will use oats. Oats has high nutrition and high carbo. For the second ingredient, we are going to use chia seeds. Chia seeds is high with antioxidant and it's so small it looks like ants. For the next ingredient, we will use milk. It is high in calcium and it makes our teeth, our bone stronger. For the fourth ingredient, we will use yogurt. Yogurt has the same nutrition like with milk. It makes our oat more moist, more creamier, more delicious. For the fifth ingredient, we will use honey. Honey is my favorite. My favorite in this menu. Why? Because it's sweet. It makes our body more energetic. It puts a lot of nutrition in our body, not bad things. Thank you, Zara. Now for the final ingredient, we are going to use mixed fruit. Red apple, dragon fruit, and red grapes. All of them are red, right? That's why we are from Red Team. For the first step, you must have a container. Now, open the cap and then take 1 cup of rolled oats. So for the second step, we are going to use 100 ml of milk. Now we're going to put 1 tablespoon of honey. It looks so delicious. I just want to eat it now. But it's not done yet, guys. Next, we will put chia seeds. No, okay. We will need to put 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Next, yogurt. Yogurt is the part that Sophia likes. Yes. The best dessert ever. Next, mixed fruits. So it's your choice if you want to make it separately or together. But we choose together. Now our oats is done. Let's go to the fridge and make it chill overnight. Let's go! Okay, let's munch in. My God! This is the best overnight oats I ever eaten yet. Make sure to do this at home. Okay, guys? Bye!